So in this section, I want to cover with you on creating and doing basic video editing inside of Canva. So to start off, let's take a look at using video templates. So we're going to go here to our search bar and we're going to type in video. So here we've got video collage, we got video. Those are our two basic templates we're found. They've got lots of other or basic layouts, but now let's take a look at some templates. So I'm going to just do video 1920 by 1080. And now we're gonna look at templates, right? And there's lots of, templates to choose from. We're just gonna kind of peek through here a bit. Let's do a successful business one, right? Or actually, let's find one that isn't paid for. Let's do this one here. Click on it. And now it's gonna say, customize this template. By the way, you guys, if you find a template you like, you can always hit star on any of the templates in Canva and it will do so. So we're gonna hit share, or we're gonna hit customize template. And now it's fired up this video. So now I'm going to change this to welcome to, let's say, Bits and Bibles. We were talking about this. Canva level 1. Now, guys, realistically, this is probably not going to be the one I'm going to use, but nothing wrong with it, but just not quite the aesthetic I'm going for. But you see here, very quickly, all of a sudden, I took that video, and within, a few seconds, a little word editing, you can sample it up here. And now I've got an intro. It was that fast, guys. We were able to create and function brand new template that fast, that easily. It's incredible what you can do these days, isn't it? So right there, that's how you can create a video. You can use video templates to instantly just bake out a video if you need one really fast. Now, let's talk about adjusting video settings, right? Maybe you want to edit a video. So we just created this video. I'm going to go back to home. And we've got this video. Now, let's say I already have recorded a video and I want to edit it some. So this isn't, instead of me having a video here, I want to say I already have a video that I recorded somewhere else. So guys, let's take a look at what you want to do if you want to edit a video, right? So you've got your video here already inside of your editing screen. You're going to click on it. And you come up here at the top and click Edit Video. And then you're presented with a few options. You've got some different filters you can put on it to change color. These are all things we've all seen at some point if we've used most social media apps or other things. But the other thing that you can do is there's a background removing tool if you have a paid for version or the nonprofit. The other thing they have adjusts. So if you want to adjust the tint a little bit, or if you want to adjust warmth, brightness, highlights and shadows, there's just all kinds of different little things you can adjust. Texture, maybe you want to make the texture a little heavier or lighter. You want to pop the vibrance up maybe. Again, this video, not tons happening, but you can see here that it's still adjusting these things so you can tweak how you want them to show up. So from in here, you get some basic video editing options that will let you adjust stuff. That's really important. From here, the other things you can do up here is you can clip a video. So if you want to shorten it, you can do that. So if, let's say, you guys had under uploads, maybe you guys had a video online you wanted to grab really quick. Let's just grab one really fast here. I'm going to let it upload. And while it's uploading, let's look through some of these other pieces. You can do playback, so you can adjust video screen. You could, if you were doing this for presentations, because you can use Canva for presentations, kind of like a PowerPoint. So you could auto loop in presentation, or auto play in presentation, loop forever. You can adjust video speed. Maybe you want it to play faster, although I think I'm going to freak out the video by doing that. You can make it play faster, make it play slower, whatever. You can crop a video. So if you want to adjust how much of it you can see, you can crop it in. I will say one thing I've seen with Canva, and sorry it's showing up here on this video, is that once in a while the crop feature is a little funny. So sometimes you have to give it a second and try again, but just fair warning. The other options you have is flip. You can flip a video. So if you want the video file working in the other direction, see, that simple, flipped it. You can flip it not only just horizontally, but you can also flip it vertically if you decide you want it to look different from this aspect. So a lot of different options you're given here, guys. Um, Definitely a lot of neat little tools. Again, if you have, let's say you have 2 videos. Now this is where you can get into timelines. You can start having multiple videos show up. So let's say I wanted to show a video clip about this mountain here. I think mountains are just absolutely gorgeous, so I like looking at them. So here we have this video file of the mountain here that I grabbed from Pixabay. Now, this video clip is 52 seconds. Now, while I might enjoy sitting and watching this for 52 seconds, maybe somebody else wouldn't. All I got to do is come up here, click on it, and I can shorten it to whatever I want to shorten it to. So let's say in this case, I want to do a 5-second clip. Done. And now I want to grab my second video clip, put it down here. And I also want to do maybe a 5-second clip. So grab it, shorten it, about 5 seconds. Done. Nice thing is you can also type in here, guys. So if you want to tell it exactly how long. And then now what I've done is, and you know what, we're going to make this guy 5 seconds as well. So we're just going to go here, grab 5 seconds of it. Now up here is where you can view your video as you're making it. You can see here we're now getting this video file produced. Sometimes it takes it a second when it's rendering, but you see here it played that for 5 seconds. Now it's going to play this for 5 seconds. And then it's going to play the other video for 5 seconds. So right here, we're already getting the basis of putting a video together. So that allows you to adjust the duration. You can also adjust duration down here. Oh, never mind, they moved that. So it'll put it up here on the screen for you. So you can adjust duration up by clicking on it. You'll adjust the duration up here. So you start putting together your video. Now, let's say you want to throw some text on top of your video, right? Like you want to say mountains. So now, using the skills I've shown you in the other parts of this course, you can now have your video include maybe the word mountains on top of the video. You can have, let's line this up here really quick. Maybe you want to animate it like I showed you guys before and throw a little, effect to it. So now when you're doing your video, it's got way more personality. Again, it's all about, one thing about video is all about movement. Movement catches the eye. So you want that movement. I mean, look at that. Boom, right there. That looks really nice for a video you're doing. So there's a lot of options available, guys. I definitely recommend checking out the video part of this. The other thing is you can pull audio in. So if you go to the apps, or no, sorry, elements, you can pull in audio. So I'm just going to say tech, but reason why I just want this to show up. So here, maybe you want to do peaceful. You can find videos, you can find audio, and then from there, you can drop audio files in here. And then not only can you adjust where it sits as in the video, you can use the slider to move around where it sits in the video. But then also, if you double click on it, you can adjust what part of it you're wanting to play. So now you can add audio. Maybe you want to overlay something that you already have. Maybe you have an image you want to overlay. So right there, you can now throw an image on top of your video to include it in the video footage. So now when you're doing this, not only are you getting, so look at this, in a few short minutes, we've already had a video with motion effects and words. Now I've thrown a QR code on top of it. A lot of options you have available, guys. A lot of really cool things you can do with it. Maybe you want to slow a video down. You go back to playback. You could slow the video down. It's going to adjust how long your video is, but now you've got that option. Maybe you want to speed it up like we talked about. There's just a lot of different ways you can adjust these and make them work how you want them to. So guys, I hope this video piece helps. Oh, one other really cool piece. Once you're done with that, just go to download. You're ready to share it. You can download it in MP4. Download the whole video file, and then you're ready to rock and roll. If you have one of the paid for versions, you can also download it in higher qualities. Now, I don't remember how high they fully go to. I want to say it's 2K or 4K, but you can adjust the quality up and down if you need to fit your needs. So guys, I hope this section helped. We're going to move on to our next section here, but get into Canva, check out their video options, start making some awesome videos. And of course, always the most important part with any video editing project is make something and share it.